Hi, my name is Chris Pallagi. I'm the owner of Capital City Roofing. We've been in business for 13 years, servicing the Central Texas area. Behind me is a 12,000 square foot home that we're putting on new asphalt shingles. Along with the 12,000 square foot home is a guest house and a pool house. This is a pretty big project for us. It takes about 2 to 3 days. We also do metal roofing, clay tile roofing, as well as commercial. So if you or anybody that you know was recently affected by the hailstorm that came through back in May, please give us a call at Capital City Roofing and we'll get you taken care of.